When was the first 5-year plan launched in India? A. 1947. B. 1951. C. 1955. D. 1960. Answer. B. 1951. The first 5-year plan was launched in 1951, focusing on agriculture and infrastructure. Which was the main objective of the first 5-year plan? A. Industrial development. B. Economic self-sufficiency. C. Agricultural development. D. Social welfare. Answer. C. Agricultural development. The main aim of the first 5-year plan was to boost agricultural production and improve the country's food security. Who was the first Planning Commission chairman in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Drive. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Indira Gandhi. D. C. D. Deshmukh. Answer. A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first chairman of the Planning Commission when it was established in 1950. Which of the following was the primary focus of the second 5-year plan? A. Heavy industries. B. Transport. C. Green revolution. D. Education. Answer. A. Heavy industries. The second plan, launched in 1956, focused on the development of heavy industries and the public sector. The Green Revolution in India began during which 5-year plan? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fifth. Answer. C. Third. The Green Revolution started in the third 5-year plan, with an emphasis on increasing food production through new farming technologies. Which plan is known for the slogan, Garibi Hatao? A. Fifth plan. B. Sixth plan. C. Seventh plan. D. Eighth plan. Answer. A. Fifth plan. The slogan, Garibi Hatao, remove poverty, was introduced during the fifth plan, 1974-1979, under Indira Gandhi's leadership. What was the primary aim of the sixth 5-year plan? A. Industrialization. B. Employment generation. C. Social justice. D. Economic liberalization. Answer. B. Employment generation. The sixth plan, 1981-985, emphasized poverty alleviation, employment generation, and improvement of basic infrastructure. Which of the following 5-year plans focused on the liberalization of the economy? A. Seventh plan. B. Eighth plan. C. 10th plan. D. Ninth plan. Answer. B. Eighth plan. The eighth plan, 1992-1997, laid the foundation for economic reforms and liberalization, with a focus on increasing investment and trade. The 11th 5-year plan of India aimed at achieving which growth rate? A. 7%. B. 8%. C. 9%. D. 10%. Answer. C. 9%. The 11th plan, 2007-2012, aimed for a growth rate of 9% to promote inclusive growth and development. Who was the deputy chairman of the Planning Commission during the 10th 5-year plan? A. Montek Singh Ahluwalia. B. Drive. Manmohan Singh. C. Pranab Mukherjee. D. C. Rangarajan. Answer. A. Montek Singh Ahluwalia. Montek Singh Ahluwalia was the deputy chairman of the Planning Commission during the 10th plan. The 11th plan focused on which of the following sectors? A. Information technology. B. Financial services. C. Employment generation and poverty alleviation. D. Industrial growth. Answer. C. Employment generation and poverty alleviation. The 11th plan emphasized employment generation and poverty alleviation through inclusive growth. What was the key feature of the first 5-year plan? A. Focus on heavy industries. B. Focus on energy production. C. Focus on agriculture and irrigation. D. Focus on IT development. Answer. C. Focus on agriculture and irrigation. The first plan focused on agricultural development and irrigation to boost food production. Which of the following 5-year plans aim to achieve growth with stability? A. Third plan. B. Fourth plan. C. Fifth plan. D. Sixth plan. Answer. B. Fourth plan. The fourth plan, 1969-1974, aimed at economic growth with stability by controlling inflation and promoting self-sufficiency. Which 5-year plan introduced the Minimum Needs Program? A. Fourth plan. B. Fifth plan. C. Sixth plan. D. Seventh plan. Answer. B. Fifth plan. The Minimum Needs Program, MNP, was introduced in the fifth plan, 1974-1979, to improve the living standards of people through better healthcare, education, and housing. Which was the last 5-year plan of India? A. 10th plan. B. 11th plan. C. 12th plan. D. 13th plan. Answer. C. 12th plan. The 12th 5-year plan, 2012-2017, was the last official plan, as the Planning Commission was later replaced by Niti Aayog. Which organization replaced the Planning Commission in India? A. Niti Aayog. B. National Development Council. C. Economic Advisory Council. D. Finance Commission. Answer. A. Niti Aayog. In 2015, the Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, to implement a more flexible and dynamic planning approach. Which 5-year plan was affected by the Indochina War of 1962? A. First Plan. B. Second Plan. C. Third Plan. D. Fourth Plan. Answer. C. Third Plan. The Third Plan, 1961-1966, faced setbacks due to the Indochina War of 1962, which diverted resources towards defense. Which 5-year plan was affected by the emergency, 1975-1977? A. Third Plan. B. Fourth Plan. C. Fifth Plan. D. Sixth Plan. Answer. C. Fifth Plan. The Fifth Plan, 1974-1979, was implemented during the emergency period, leading to various socio-economic disruptions. Which 5-year plan was designed to achieve faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth? A. Eighth Plan. B. Ninth Plan. C. 11th Plan. D. 12th Plan. Answer. D. 12th Plan. The 12th Plan, 2012-2017, aimed at achieving faster and more inclusive economic growth while ensuring environmental sustainability. Which plan emphasized growth with social justice and equity? A. 7th Plan. B. 8th Plan. C. 9th Plan. D. 10th Plan. Answer. C. 9th Plan. The 9th Plan, 1997-2002, focused on equitable growth and social justice to bridge economic disparities. The Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, was launched in which 5-year plan? A. 5th Plan. B. 6th Plan. C. 7th Plan. D. 8th Plan. Answer. B. 6th Plan. The IRDP, aimed at poverty alleviation through rural employment, was launched in the 6th Plan, 1980-1985. Which 5-year plan saw the introduction of LPG reforms, liberalization, privatization, and globalization? A. 6th Plan. B. 7th Plan. C. 8th Plan. D. 9th Plan. Answer. C. 8th Plan. The 8th Plan, 1992-1997, marked the beginning of economic reforms in India with LPG policies. What was the theme of the 11th 5-year plan? A. Inclusive growth. B. Sustainable development. C. Industrial growth. D. Green revolution. Answer. A. Inclusive growth. The 11th Plan, 2007-2012, aimed at achieving economic growth that benefits all sections of society. Which 5-year plan had the highest GDP growth rate target of 9%? A. 10th Plan. B. 11th Plan. C. 9th Plan. D. 12th Plan. Answer. B. 11th Plan. The 11th Plan, 2007-2012, set a GDP growth target of 9%, aiming for rapid economic expansion. Which 5-year plan was discontinued due to the Indo-Pak War of 1965? A. First Plan. B. Second Plan. C. Third Plan. D. Fourth Plan. Answer. C. Third Plan. The Third Plan, 1961-1966, was disrupted due to the Indo-Pak War of 1965 and economic difficulties, leading to the introduction of 3 annual plans instead of a 4th plan. Which 5-year plan focused on self-reliance in food production and introduced the Green Revolution? A. First Plan. B. Third Plan. C. Fourth Plan. D. Fifth Plan. Answer. B. Third Plan. The Third Plan, 1961-1966, emphasized self-sufficiency in food grains and introduced the Green Revolution, significantly increasing agricultural productivity. Which 5-year plan introduced the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA? A. 9th Plan. B. 10th Plan. C. 11th Plan. D. 12th Plan. Answer. C. 11th Plan. The 11th Plan, 2007-2012, introduced MGNREGA, a rural employment guarantee scheme aimed at reducing poverty and unemployment. Which 5-year plan had the goal of removal of poverty, Garibi Hatao? A. 4th Plan. B. 5th Plan. C. 6th Plan. D. 7th Plan. Answer. B. 5th Plan. The 5th Plan, 1974-1979, introduced the slogan, Garibi Hatao, Remove Poverty, under Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to reduce poverty through rural employment and welfare schemes.